Welcome to Gbpcad analysis for the first week of October. We'll be going over two scenarios. The first one we'll go over is a bullish scenario. Currently, we're ranging within these two levels right here. And as you can see, last week price was unable to close below this level. So it actually pushed back up, and on daily, that looks like a higher low. So you can see we kind of are shifting market structure, right? And every time so we tapped this weekly level and then we pushed up, created a higher low. So last time when we did that, we came back, retested it, and then continued up. So essentially what we're looking for is retest at this level and then push up. And once we break this level up here, if we break it, then retest and continue up. So then there would be safe buys on the break and retest of the level. We also have an intraday bullish trend line, so keep that in mind. And as long as price stays above this level, sells would be invalid. Sells would only be valid if we break past this intraday bullish trend line and below this level, retest and then continue down. Otherwise, we will be watching and seeing how price reacts to here, this daily market structure. And if it breaks up, then we can continue up to the next level and then the levels preceding that, okay? Otherwise, you see how the shift in market structure, same thing happened here. As soon as price broke up, and continued up, okay? So we're just watching currently, and we'll be keeping an eye out of how price reacts at this level, because one time we came here, it rejected down, and as soon as price broke back below here, continued down. So that's why we won't be selling at this. We would only sell if price broke below this and closed. Otherwise, it's a bullish outlook, okay? Moving on to this, and we'll go over some previous examples of how price reacts to these levels, okay? So let's look at this. So when we're looking at something like this, when price closed above here, it pushed up, right? And then once it pushed up here, created a little wick and continued up, continued all the way up to this area, which is over here, this weekly range. So you can start thinking now, okay, if price pushes up, if price keeps pushing up, we're gonna push to the same here. Price broke this key area, retest, and then continued up all the way same level. So now we know that that could be our weekly target, right? And that's what we can aim for. So you could even get something like this. Let's say we come down, retest, and then go up, right? Otherwise, we can just look for, if we look on 4 hour right now, this area is just rangy, right? But as you can see, there's been several wicks over here. So it's possible that this was our intraday high, right? And then higher low, and then price pushes up, breaks this level, you retest the same level from before we had for a while, and then you push up to the next zone, which is 100 pips, and then we just see the levels as they come. Or this might happen and then push up, or it could just be simple and keep pushing up, right? Through level to level. Like I said, sells are not even looking for sells unless we see something like this. Price get a lower high, break, retest, and then this sells would be here, and that would only be down to this level, right? So otherwise, daily seems bullish. This is technically a higher low from the previous higher low. It's a high. So if you break past this high, you know we're going to make a new higher high. First would be at this level, and then we can see what happens there, okay? But if we do go bullish and we start breaking these levels, then we can end up back to this area and possibly up here, right? These wicks up here. So that would be the, right, so this is a pretty simple analysis. Keep it simple, like you see here, break, retest, continued up, same level, sort of same level. But as soon as we broke up, we came to this level. So it came to this level and then create a higher low. So like I said, it's possible it does this, comes here, creates a higher low, and then push it up. Because that's essentially what this was, right? Higher low pushed a bit lower, but yeah, we'll watch and see what happens. Otherwise, bullish outlook. I'll leave the link for the analysis in the description, and you can check out how well these levels work, okay? So if you do see like a break above, don't hesitate to take buys on the retest, right? Essentially, that's what happened on GBP AUD. Broke above, took buys on the retest, okay? Thanks for watching.